Your time starts now.
Hello everyone. We all know that Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. But do you know that this is the only constitution where we have both fundamental rights and fundamental duties? Fundamental rights were inspired from the free societies like America, Russia, France, Canada. And fundamental duties were introduced into the constitution through 42nd Constitutional Amendment in 1976 to bring the accountability to the citizens. But I can proudly say that we Indians accepted these duties as our birthrights. The best living example for that is our school timetable never starts without singing the national anthem. Our journey never goes without sightseeing the statues of our national leaders. Even our program never starts without garlanding our national star. And our calendar never ends without celebrating the contributions and achievements of each and every field along with Independence Day and Republic Day every year. This is possible because we fought with foreigners not for our rights but for our duties. We prioritized the nation over ourselves. India first, Indians next. This spirit continued from the Kashmir shores to the Kanyakumari shores, from Mumbai port to the Myanmar borders. India, that is Bharat, as Vishnu Purana proudly says, Uttaram Yasamudraksya, Himadraivasya Dakshinam, Varsham Tat Bharatam Nama, Bharatiya Yatra Santati. To the north of the Indian Ocean, to the south of the Himalayas, exists the land of Bharat and lives Bharatiyans. This spirit remained and continued for centuries. Unlike the other democracies, enjoying the rights and denying the duties, India is moving forward with both of them hand in hand. Being the first nation on this planet to give voting rights for transgender community in 1994. Being the first nation on this planet to recruit women into military services officially in 1992. Being the first nation on this planet to make education both as a legal right and a moral duty in 2002. Being the first Asian nation on this planet to make right to privacy as a fundamental right, accepting the right to life according to the Article 21. Being the first nation on this planet where we can celebrate both of the Hindu Ramzan and every one of the festivals. Being the only nation where even the leader of opposition, Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, got cabinet minister rank and sent as a peace ambassador for Kashmir issue to the Geneva in 1994. This is the only nation where, with just 6 months after the India's independence from the colonial rule, India gave a free insurance for all the laborers. I believe and I strongly quote that, as we proudly recited, इस वंदन की भूमि है, अभिनंदन की भूमि है, इस तर्पण की भूमि है, इस अर्पण की भूमि है, इस नदी नदियों में गंगा जल है, इसका कंकर कंकर में शंकर है. The spirit of the nation, India, as a spirit of Bharat will move forward, securing the rights of all, and Indians with the spirit of Bharatiyata, accepting their duties for all. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.